Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna see how to make these shaker pockets, and do subscribe to my channel to see more planner accessories that you can make yourself. In this video we'll see how to make this shaker pocket. For that what we'll be needing is a soldering iron. This is what it looks like. We'll be needing a metallic scale, and we'll be needing these page protectors. Just mark the size of the pocket that you want. Here I have already marked it. Sit down, put your ruler where you want to cut, take your soldering iron, and yeah, all you need to do is just draw a line. So we'll be starting from here. Go on a slow and even speed. And then you need to do the same on the other side. And your pocket will be ready. You need to leave a little bit of gap where through which you can fill in your stuff that you want to fill inside, and then you can seal that part also later. So here I'm just adding my sequins. You can also add other stuff, like you can add die cuts, or you can even stamp image and color them and fill it inside. So here I'm be just adding this pink sequence, and when you're done you need to seal it again. So the space that you've left, you need to seal that again. So that's all I'm doing, and your shaker pocket will be ready.